folks, welcome back to Madcap Toys. Happy Tuesday. My name is Kathy and welcome back to the Toy Barn. Of course, we were doing a what sold on Tuesday today because we have more toys and more items that we sold, and we have a few that are still pending. So we just talked about it in our office meeting today. We thought, let's just do a what sold video today as well as for tomorrow and Wednesday. And keep on going until, but as things are rolling, we roll it, we got it, we're going to do it. And then of course, you know, if we have some time in between the week, we'll fill in on some other stuff. But I hope you guys are doing fantastic. You know, we're still working, of course, with the insurance adjusters. They haven't come out yet, so I'm talking to my insurance man about that. But we are doing fine and doing well. So, I'm just going to start with it. How about that, guys? We sold 10 items, like I said in the last video and Monday's video. Some were already pending at the time, about I think it was about 5 or 6 at the time, so we've added a few more today. Mercari, you helped us out. We got one sale there, and then we got 9 others on eBay. We do have, I think, roughly about 5 or 6 more on top of that. Still pending. Some had come through today, this afternoon, while we were editing the video that you saw yesterday. So it's moving right along. So I will start with you on that. So let's start with Mercari real quick. We have right here, guys, we have the 2013 Hot Wheels Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Pretty nice car there. I like it. Nice, cool gray there. And it's going out to Gerard. Hi, Gerard. For $5 plus shipping to boot. Thank you so much, Gerard, for that. It's going out to you in the AM. And moving right along, we're going to start out with eBay. The rest of it is eBay. This is the I hope you can see it. Right? Okay. 1991 Revell Hasegawa. I don't know if I'm butchering that, guys. So hopefully I'm saying it correctly. Hasegawa model kit. And it's going out to Philip. Hi, Philip, for $20. Really, really nice here. Daren, I think over the holiday season last year, went retail arbitraging with his brother and picked up a whole bunch of model kits. So very decent price. They had a big discount going on, so he picked a bunch up. And so, Philip, this is going out to you in the AM, all plastic sealed, not opened, you know, brand new. Thank you so much. And then we have a repeat buyer alert, We got someone that had checked out our Buck Rogers series from 1979 Mego. He didn't buy just one, folks. He bought 2. So I'm going to share with you that. This is the... Make sure I got the right one. This is the 1979 Mego Buck Rogers Tiger Man, and it's going out to William. Hi, William, repeat buyer, for $150. Thank you so much for that. As you can see, it is in a nice clamshell protective. I will make sure it is bubble wrapped carefully and packed nicely. It's going out to you in the AM, and not only that, we're going to show you the second one that he also bought as well. And it's also nicely packed well in a clamshell. This is also 1979 Mego Buck Rogers, but it is Killer Kane action figure. Can you see him? Really cool. I was in the first grade in 1979. And this went out, of course, again to William. Hi, William, for $127.99. Thanks so much, William. And if you guys are interested in the Buck Rogers series, we talked and we told him we had 2 other ones of different characters. I think it's Ardella and Draco, and he already had those, which is fine. But if you are interested in those, you can get those in a clamshell case as well. Just check it out in our eBay as well as Mercari listings. We have the links below in our description. And before I continue, guys, if you like the video, go ahead and like it to the end. We love your comments. Promise we're not deleting them one bit. Bring them in. We love your input, and we love how things are going. We love your questions. We love everything about you. And then if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the Madcap Toys family. We want you to be a part of us. We have shot over 2,100 subscribers, and we're growing. So love our family as it grows. And also hit the bell for all notifications, because each and every time we upload content, you're going to be the first to know. All right, moving right along. Also next on eBay, we have the Green Lantern. This is the Supercharged series, Supercharged there. This is Aben Sewer action figure, and it's going out to Robert. Hi, Robert, for $9.99. Really nice mitten box, and going out to you as I promised in the AM. Thank you. And we're not done, guys. We're sold a model kit. Yes, indeed. Another one of our model kits is going out the door. It's another Speed Racer. I remember when my oldest son, he is now almost 31 years old, but when he was just a little boy, about 3 years old, he would watch Cartoon Network in the days. You know, you could put your kid in front of the TV and they could watch good cartoons all day long, you know, in the afternoons, and they just roll one right after another. And at night he would watch, right before we were to pick up his daddy from work, he would watch Speed Racer. And this is one of the 4 model kits that I bought a Speed Racer here. It is a Speed Racer Mach 5 model kit, and it's going out to Arthur. Hi, Arthur, for $16.99. Thank you so much for that. Really nice. I think we have like a couple of Speed Racers left. Of course, some others, different kinds of model kits as well. So check them out there. And it doesn't stop there, guys, because we're still selling pallet items, if you can believe that. And this person didn't buy one. They went ahead and bought 2. So I guess you can kind of call it repeat buyer, but it was in one order. But we'll take it, right? This is from our Amazon piece count that we got. Hopefully you can see both of them. It is 2 packs of earbud tips for, I think it's Power 3 Beats headphones, if I'm right. It doesn't have it all on there written on the back of the UPC cup, but that's okay. And these are called Flash Blue, the color. It's going out to Michael, 2 packages here for $13.98. Thank you so much, Michael. They're going out to you in the AM. Really nice earbud pieces. If you're interested in the earbud pieces, we have 4 left. All right. And not just toys, guys. We also sell comics, as you know. We not only have them bagged and boarded, but to keep them safe, we put them in a Gemini cardboard mailer. So this is going out in the AM. 2005 Dark Horse Comics Conan comic book going out to Gary. Hi, Gary. For $7.98. We love the Conan series. I think we have a few more Conans in different issues available. Feel free to check them out. This one I had to take a little bit of time finding, but he is from the Power of the Jedi series and on our Star Wars shelf. So, you know how we try to do SKUs, right? Well, on this one, I think we kind of slept, because instead of putting what shelf number that we had it on in the Star Wars shelf, we just said Star Wars shelf. So I had to dig through shelf number 3, shelf number 4, and finally found him on shelf number 5. It happens, guys, but if you want to save some time on yourself, make sure you put your shelf number or however you work it, just to be able to have you be able to find your item a lot faster than we did. So, our bad. Star Wars The Black Series, no, take it back. Star Wars Power of the Jedi Death Star droid, and I think he's with a mouse droid there, right up here. And it's going out to Domagoge. Hi, Domagoge, for $23.99. Really, really nice. Make sure I will have that bubble wrapped and getting that out to you. I just placed my first order of bubble wrap to American Bubble Boy. So if you're watching, hi guys. Can't wait to get those in the bubble wrap in a couple of days. Excited. I have heard many good things about you. So we're trying you out. See how it goes. Thank you so much. And finally, lastly, more Star Wars. It seems like we have a Buck Rogers Star Wars / Green Lantern theme going on today, it seems like. So we have, lastly, it's the Star Wars The Black Series, number 7, Darth Vader, and it's going out to Richard. Hi, Richard. For $16.49 plus shipping to boot. Thank you so much, Richard, and it's going out to you in the AM. So 10 items, guys, and we have 6 items, like I said, pending for Wednesday's video, plus I'm sure we're going to have some by the end of the night. I'm going to try to list. Now, Daren was a blessing today. An angel, Daren, you're an angel. Because what you did is list today. He also took some pictures, which you've got to work as a team. So he's got pictures going for tomorrow while I'm at the day job and then coming home. So we've been kind of like doing things together. So it's been working out for us really good, because tonight, as soon as we end the video, I'm going to pack these bad boys and then put them out, get them ready for the postal truck tomorrow. Daren will be dropping that off while I'm at the day job. So consistently, for all you that are resellers and watching, we love you, by the way, just to kind of give you a glimpse, Friday, like I said, this past Friday, we just jammed it way more than our normal on Friday. It took a dip. I heard there were server issues on Saturday, lots of stuff going on. We only had 3 sales. Terrible, terrible day. On Sunday, our tornado day picked back up. We had not quite what we did on Friday, but we did better than our normal. And then today, so far, it kind of is not going good. Okay, we're in supper time now, but it looks like we've only got not even 50% of what we get in have been on the normal. So not good. I'm hoping that changes in the next 5 hours. Of course, been sending offers, doing all the things we love to do, blah, blah, blah. So I'm hoping that changes. And also, Poshmark did not come through. Poshmark, where are you? Gotta have some sales, but I do know that on Wednesday's video, we are going to show you a Poshmark sale. I believe that happens. So don't hold me to that, but I think one of them is that. So that's basically all I had, guys. I wanted to do a quick Tuesday video. I know you guys usually like the ones where we kind of talk and teach, but we've got some toys. We got some sales going out, guys. So I thought, you know what? Let's just get a what sold in there, so these aren't pending. And then, of course, we have some more items that we've got available for Wednesday. So we're trying to keep it going along as we can, so that way you guys can see not only what we sell, that you know what to do, what is trending and things. And that's why we share with you on the what sold. I don't really have anything else, guys, except that I want to share with you, and I'll probably send out a short about it. Again, thank you, a big thank you to all of our Madcap Toys family, our subscribers, our supporters, our commenters, our pollsters, people that do the polls, our social media fans, everybody. We thank you. We love you. We got some great news today, and I'm going to announce it as of today, as of this morning. Madcap Toys YouTube channel is now officially a monetized channel. Thank you guys so much for that. We're excited to work with you, YouTube, and the partner program, and just being a part of it. And we're excited to work with other resellers like yourself, other brands out there, anybody that we collaborate with. We're happy to be a part of it. We're excited. We hope you're excited as well, as we continue to put on those videos and as we continue to grow. You guys are what makes it happen, and we could not do it without you. Thank you so much. Until next time, we'll see you Wednesday. Bye-bye, guys.